Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I actually prepare before my work day. Tomorrow I have a very busy day and I have to get my daughter to school at 7 a.m. So your girl is going to drink some green tea. I got this cup from Louisiana when I went. If you haven't checked out my latest vlog, stop what you're doing and go watch my vlog when I went to Louisiana for a wedding. My uncle got married and then I had a baby shower for one of my cousins. So I always like to put 2 green teas in there before I go to bed, and I'm loving the pomegranate flavor. Like, that is my go-to flavor right now. Now you guys know every night I love to journal in my iPad. I became paperless probably about 4 or 5 years ago, and I'm never going back. Like, my iPad is my best friend. I do everything on my iPad. If you haven't got one, definitely invest in getting you an Apple Pen and iPad. And I think for my birthday I'm going to actually get me a bigger iPad or maybe the updated one. This one's only a few years old, but why not? It's my birthday. And right now I'm going to just journal the night before. I like to just brain dump anything out of my head, just get it down on pen and paper and just release it, good or bad. But your girl is just going to journal for the next few minutes, probably for a good 45 minutes. Good morning, you guys. So I am dropping my daughter off at school. She already made my coffee this morning. Sorry I didn't film it, but traffic was really easy. I just dropped her off and now I'm on my way back home. The first thing I do is that I'm going to sign into my systems. It takes a while for my computer to get everything up and running. Like, I don't know if it's AT&T. I used to have Comcast and then I switched to AT&T because it was a better deal for my phone, internet, and security system. But you guys, I'm thinking that I need to go back to Comcast. I don't know, like, my internet provider is like so slow. Comment down below which internet provider you have, and if you have AT&T, do you have any issues? So while my system is uploading, I'm going to go ahead and take Mr. Joey out for his walk. Look at my sweet little boy, Mr. Jojo. Okay, so my system is uploading. I'm about to go ahead and find some tunes to listen to. Like, Apple Music is my favorite. If I'm not on Apple Music, I normally go to Pandora. But right now, I think I'm going to go ahead and find something on Apple Music, put some music on to get me in the mood to go ahead and clean up. And I love to make my bed every single morning. Like, I was an Army child and my parents did not play. And as I got older, it kind of stuck with me. And like I mentioned in a previous vlog, it's just something about, you know, coming home to a nice, clean, made up bed. It just sets the tone for me.
I would like to get to know if it could be the kind of girl that you took me down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I'll be down with what you go. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day.
Guys, I'm at my desk and I love to listen to Pastor Kim prayer calls. Like, I love her. She's an awesome pastor. I had to hop on a call this morning with one of my colleagues. So we're just going over some reports and some things that we need to do. And then I'm going to go ahead and work for the first part of the morning, you guys. So y'all, I totally forgot to vlog what I cooked this morning for breakfast, but let me show y'all before I finish devouring. I had salmon and some salad that I made and my celery juice. I've been drinking my celery juice for a minute now. I'm going to insert a TikTok that I did of my celery juice, y'all. So I will leave the recipe in the description part of this video, so if you want to give it a try. Celery has so many good benefits. I add other stuff to it, but you guys, like, I've been doing it for like a good month now, and I actually like it. I actually enjoy it. Like, I'm actually not drinking any other store-bought juice. I'm actually making all my juice. So this week I'll be making apple juice, so I'm excited about it. Okay, you guys, so after I went ahead and meal prepped, I went ahead and joined a few meetings. I had a few reports to do. I had a few calls to make. Like, it was a very busy day. For the most part, I am glued to my seat for the first part of the day until I go pick up my daughter. I do take my lunch to go pick her up, so it's a good little hour break, which gives my eyes a rest. And I've been using my Blu-ray glasses for the past 2 to 3 years. I'm in love with those. Like, I would be on Amazon every day ordering me a pair if I could, but you know, we have to save and we have to be an adult. But for the most part, you guys, I am glued to my seat, just doing reports after reports after reports. So y'all, I spent the most of my morning working on crazy reports and doing a few edits to invoices, and I'm tired. I didn't even eat lunch. The salmon and salad filled me up so much. After that, I had a small snack, which was a bowl of Cheerios, and now I'm on my way to get my daughter, and I got some chocolate covered vanilla yogurt raisins, so I'm just eating that. And I got my water with me. Like, I'm gonna always have some type of Starbucks cup. I love the quality of their cups. Spill proof, sturdy. I love Starbucks cups. Like, that's just my little thing. So yeah, I'm gonna probably like try not to eat this whole bag. I'm actually running late from picking her up, but she had to make up a test. But you guys, that's how my morning normally goes with working from home. Meetings after meetings, emails after emails, calls after calls, jumping on Teams all day, just doing something. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Stay tuned for the next one, and don't forget to subscribe, and as always, stay pretty, stay busy, and until next time, you guys, bye.
Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, you can't be replaced.